Animal trivias.
Animal Hall of Fame. The biggest. Did you know that an African elephant can weigh up to 16,500 pounds and can eat as much as 600 pounds of food a day? An ostrich can grow up to 9 feet tall and weigh as much as 350 pounds. The whale shark, which is not a whale, reaches about 46 feet in length and weighs up to 15 tons. The saltwater crocodile can grow up to 23 feet long. Giant walking sticks can grow about 20 inches in length.
Smallest.
Land mammal. The bumblebee bat tips the scale at about 2 grams and measures between 30 and 40 millimeters as an adult. A hummingbird grows only to 2.5 inches long and weighs only 0.06 of an ounce. Reptile. The British Virgin Island gecko is about 3/4 of an inch long when fully grown.
This was presented by Jennifer Balbino,
Jacqueline Caparoso,
Lucky Miss Peña
and Bernadette Hanavan.
of biosci 21, school year 2008-2009.